There are many people around the world who do not have fast Android phones, and the biggest reason your phone is slow because you're having a very slow CPU and too little RAM. And the apps you're using right now are made for the phones which have very fast CPU and much more RAM. So what can you do to make your slow Android phone fast? Google has recently launched new apps which are meant for slow Android phones, and the biggest advantage of using these apps is that they are much smaller in size, they do not take much space on your phone, they are fast because they don't need fast CPUs and more RAM, and they even use less internet data to give you same amount of information. So this video is only for those people who have very slow Android phones and they want to gain more speed. Right now Google has only made 6 Go apps, and these are YouTube Go, Gmail Go, Maps, Files, Google Search and Google Assistant. Generally speaking, these are the most used apps on your phone. But Google is working with other top applications like Instagram, Facebook to create Go Edition apps. I will provide links to all the applications down below in the description box if you want to download them. When you will use these apps, you will notice that there are very few animations, and that makes apps faster to load and it is less CPU intensive. If I go to my normal Google search application, then you will see that there are so many things which are heavily animated, and there is always some sort of information which keeps on coming according to the things you searched on web. And you can even talk to Google Assistant. But when you will go into the Google Search Go application, then the first thing you will notice that there is no cards on the left hand side, there are no animations, and there is no Google Assistant. Don't take this thing in a bad way that Google is not giving you full features of the same application. But think of it like this, Google is helping those people who have slow Android phones by giving them fast experience with these apps. YouTube Go will give you the option of watching the videos in 480p resolution maximum, and instead of playing it first, it gives you the option to download them and watch it later. There will be a Go Edition application of the Google Chrome in future, but right now you can use one trick which can make your Google Chrome faster. Just go into the Chrome and tap on the 3 dots, and then go to the settings, and at the bottom of this page you will see data saver option. Turn this on and now your web browser will load websites faster because it will be using less internet data. Go ahead and try all these apps. Download links are given below. If you know your friends who have very slow Android phone, then share this video with them. And if you want to see more awesome content, then subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Until then, take care of those pixels.